Normala ken yam biya kamal gwas me kan online TV. Reporten bana nyoko milin kono gwas mbala dung Africa Union tege me pai ken gor gwas me am gor banyo yekel Africa Union gor kan warga kuumɛ South Sudan bana linkel ka dobdande kon lingeje. Africa Union ngai kon diala no la diena wo biken kuumɛ biken tish ka tinjekto konten lade. Amitege mutuɔɔk chede medan ka gwase dan lat ke ngai kon peace agreement kam Dr. Machar kene kirme yadit Africa Union kene te konde tegetet kene te konde chirori latin chet ke IGAD Africa Union European Union international community keliu yadin latin ne ka gwase dan wode kan tegna de kan gangre wi ka so Sudan tidialo kene kon ngai konke ban mi shebe tuɔɔk gan tema ka gwaze dane che charing Machar chaje yen shiga bit lat la be ken o te mal be ken lat bat che ken telemal gwaze meni right now ke report kon link tema che joje gwano che Africa Union fanken ala AU chikala no big delegation ken be ken ga jak ka juba gwe jeno dong ka jen ji lat mo irun dong de ga chubre wi ke juba ke report chano kan delegation ke na to buka were wi ke juba ka kwi secure situation mangai kondiale an go tuɔɔk re wit ka South Sudan but michikana me gwe jeno chana cheka bulwak ko dudiana me is more like mental care routine diplomacy alotel real effort and they can justice they can know rather than and court ngai kondiale mi kana ngaje gwano yo mi manakana Nuer ba Africa Union bikebet telem la kana alat gwada dana kwa targene Nuer shi mena kan Nuer kwa ka na karen yale ka koruna dial chicken na right so Nuer community point che feel abandoned no chaka la guje no kene kana Nuer community ngai kona en concern shi me charge this many time I know why kuumɛ kirme yadit ko Nuer ko target ngum yan ka kwarken one vice by president tere tijen ngai kondiale ngum amela Nuer la ka ta karara gwasa dana lat kan wane kan ngum nak Nueri even military attack on civilian areas tiga kuumɛ spelayo so janena ala Africa Union kan Nuer ngwanti kan guje nodi kirme yadi gwadan che ngaje no rik lat karudien ke dong dere chub gwadan tetin biken Africa Union biken notified the Africa Union biken jo president self ke yadi biken link kan kan ni changa no lakke injustice kuumɛ kirme yadit gwan makirme yadi naga ne kona civilian despite countless report statement can appear to lat ka kwiko tuka o de talk de jalat but chikume Africa Union kana kirm yadi charge gorno we can talk we can lat no serious international accountability which have been ko nakanwere no meaningful protection for civilian cha Nuer cha ka gang no clear punishment for those responsible neri kon Nuer cha ka tej bok cha nan cha ka look so mishikana me eno biken fail ko biken ideality biken kanong abaka look ke ba ka beken kirme yadit take a during one kan Africa Union right now Africa Union ke report sharing no ken e big way ke juba oji kan ngaje no January o ka this time the Nuer community me ken guje no ken ne kola majority ke ken ne bum ne ken shika catch e ken me ken kan nyok lu ken ke kuumɛ kirme yadi tay dan yigan large jen go dong shika na yigan control but right now the plan yen nyok mu fele so the only option they have right now over Africa Union but we they which ke juba chermelin kono me ano ba mal ba je nyok mu no ngaje ko ken linga no te kolm diteten so me community mi chit kan Nuer shotken ano na right ane ganke akwar ko ba ka cha yin lora bang gwa mi moring ma char were yuki juba che we lo we yon mach we ku malka and yet Africa Union tel mu lon kana lani ko kor runi tungwan por misin diale konde cha Allah da fone kirmi yadi da tiji Africa Union tigitin kan kalat kan kir kan jogono mledi modwer de ko laro wodi kuma kirmi yadi cha fail katin kona lada ni kan ngaje no tam right now kene de ngwana koro de riale ka ko biken kirmi yadi biken kumde biken yuan match and then chicken Africa Union chicken chon beje kwen gwaseme ka to English ke to dande kon lingeje. What will the African Union achieve in Juba after failing the Nuer community? Because they have failed and Chica con fail right now, right corner. The African Union or AU delegation is expected to arrive in Juba on Monday to review the security situation in South Sudan. However, many people on the ground are not hopeful. To them, this visit looks more like a routine diplomacy than a real effort to bring justice or stop violence. For years, the Nuer community has repeatedly raised concern about targeted killing, political arrests, exclusion from power, military attack on civilian areas. Many Nuer believe these actions are linked to the regime of President Salva Kiir Mayardit. Despite countless report, statement, and appeal, justice has not been delivered. No serious international accountability, no meaningful protection for civilians, and no clear punishment for those responsible. Because of this failure, anger has grown, fear has grown, and now mobilization has begun. At first, the Nuer community asked for dialogue, protection, fair political treatment, but after years of silence and broken promises, some groups believe they have no choice left. Young men are mobilizing, army resistance is increasing, trust in national institutions is collapsing. This is not because people love war. No. It is because many feel pushed into a corner. When justice is denied for too long, people stop believing in peace. Now, the African Union is coming to Juba according to the report. The question men are asking is simple. Why now? Why now? The African Union has known about ethnic targeting, political violence, human rights abuses, yet action has been slow, careful, and mostly symbolic. Many South Sudanese say African Union visit often end with closed-door meeting, political statement, call for calm, no real consequences, no action. This is why the current visit is being seen as optic, not intervention. If the African Union only meeting government official, repeat only message, avoid naming perpetrators, then this visit will change nothing. People want answered. Will the African Union demand accountability? Will it speak directly about crime against the Nuer people? Will it protect civilian, not power holder? Will it stop pretending neutrality where injustice is clear? Without this step, the visit risks becoming another failure. South Sudan is standing at a very dangerous point right now. On one side, government accused of repression. On the other, communities preparing to fight back. In the middle, civilian, women, children, and elders. If the African Union fail again, the message will be clear. Army, resistance, get attention. Peaceful voices do not. That is a dangerous lesson for any country. The people are not asking for miracles. They are asking for honesty and courage. They want the African Union to call things by their real names. Stop protecting political interests. Stop protecting anyone. Stand with victims, not regimes. Push for real justice, not delay. Peace without justice is not peace. Stability without fairness is temporary. The African Union visit is, or the visit to Juba come too late for many victims, but it still matters. this could be a turning point or another mischance. If the African Union failed to act now, history will remember that warnings were given, signs were clear, and silent help violence grow. The Nuer community, like all communities, deserved safety, dignity, justice. Without that, no delegation, no statement, and no visit will stop what is coming. So, Milin Kon Magwasame, a Jorani calling an African Union, Waken Bugwere Wiki Juba, according to information of Dana Charlotte and honor. Kari Podame Milin Koname, Chiramkel, Mela activists, Termanyang, Gadwich, Charwaj, Che message Jagor, message Jagoro, Raja Katada and Chalakijanu Africa Union Beben, but where a Wiki Juba and honor. According to his message, Guasam Bakwen Kaya, Bakwen Yagwasma Kibialing, then Termanyang Gadwich Eladon and Africa Union team will come to Juba, South Sudan on Monday to assess security situation, but they are not serious at all. A Genesis Africa Union big away a wiki Juba, but a Genesis serious Canada T. Chalga Africa Union. Call Adin Kelmelet Kenne, she will be Malbeben, Germanana Kone, but Kila can joy gather down and cook and pardon, no kumi kirme yadi German Kone. Comic native Modong Park and Adial, they can show Malabe, and Mitchu talk Michikaneling, they can enjoy it, they can Malabe, and then they can action, they can immediately. But can chicken enjoy? La joy can go around the Gangan Ocean, natural reallocation, mobilization, chai to Kobanani, Kume Kirma Yadit. Big Rudy and Jake and Dial, bigger Ben, and we'll take a malma blood. But when Nakana, Ken Nakanuri, Charity and Jake. So much in a man, Mulurma, knew the general Chukuma Kirma Yadit, Ched dear, getting Conlat Corodian. So no more there, Lamadong de Corneling. Then Termanyang got Wicca Micheling, Kishan and Guasame. New the general gen chairman latke a kir kumikim yadi chejanok. And over Africa Union team book where we could juba the queen security situation in Charling, but I know tell him kind of lot. Chicken serious. Well, I need to be a nako canuri, Nakanak Karenial, Ganshimne, and yet tell him let ken. So activists Termanyang, Cherojo Chaling was mekaje, Chelarano, and no more. Tell them Belat. Africa Union, Wale Egat, can all this organization, Chika let go down, them Alder Berewika South Sudan. So knew the guano Latken, the Latkenke, tell them go on became no. So Jensia Nenon, the Africa Union right now, right corner, the other corner, I get to call Lat Carodian. The Africa Union, they are not serious, you mentioning. Koken, La Joka Guadadan and I don't know kuumɛ. Jawe reckon a gen guadana can enjoy it, but you can enjoy guadadan and Mandong, they can take now, they can canton. And if you first by President Kwai and La can know by Jilun die, tell him Mullinke, nothing. So Bukula to Ogdi. So much in a may, young I know she chuang, Kaje, Kaka Canada country like Africa Union. Go Canada, she dear, Kiganadi tell him to millet caname, the Laro let caname, Raywich, Ka South Sudan. So Canadian content kwa koro kwa kalat chikamana ngai kona. So right now na me der we ka yakodi inte kangach anu ngum le rode right now re we ka South Sudan mo da lajen. Adio je chikon dial chan update chana je link kamana na chituok. Update moment chan link was me chikon ngaje gwano ne. Kuumɛ SPLIO chicken base dung SSPDF chikana capture darashal ka wow ka youth county. So na me micho relat. She never contact like SPLIO, chicken SSPDF garrison, Medere with Kawakana Youth County, chicken a Kefkandial. So I may a miller order. You know. So the reality, Lat Korean Temalo, a Korja, Tincherman Linkone. A gen begin a bone over Africa Union, work away a witch code on Mugano Capchong, and pressure can clue to quiet a quitch. Coach con and challenge and enter coach or a longer macabro a chunk chairman conangach, but Nuer like option right now. KGS Pilayo. Tell me shall option keke. Coach kuumɛ Jakan Chamal Chidenum, Kun Werkuka Lako back and Naki back target. Why? Only can know querying my charge yen can a quare, while other party bit to go tell him to walk. tele ke dini tele ke ngu chen kwa ga humiliate ba they don't care chir ma ngai yana so na me mri na no ke ken ni ti de kontina be beje ma unless sikir me yadi chetika not the way me be mal be non ka ja mo ken te mal che non ga je bi ngaje no be peng mi dit ba dot ke jano e ron kin dang rawi de jandang ro bakele me e bala ron mi mo malat ke election ga je ki queen kware na mango de take a gam dit gor ke kire no be tindi ala kona de mal de ke no be ga dilat chit ko loin de ke dakama char ajen maniam unconditional release of first by president again dini jan Kenya mo teacher first by president to the release bu kor bo woniam so na me mele roda mi dene di alde kan tika ngitin kir gorga jeno jen bene di al kona ya yen ba kadil kamrar kamal be mal ba kulben but not when use any military use an edge kun wer ko target chetere kor me kwa je expect longo jen ba drone ba ka jakke bana ba ka drone kan ren yale but man dia na ga jenana chi date SPLIO ko date SPLIO they are ready more than ready but any content la civilian kan ko ndong bu chuch ko di jen gwadan la kirmi yadi la na la ya bokoten kila ken helicopter kana bok la kana nang bu na bok ko jen gwadan wi ken ku kan Nuer ku kan la tolten but kur chalaro ne yene ko la Nuer kura chala tere dan tama kura water dorjani ka jodan chalat coach general li chigaro general SPLIO ke ripon kon lin kon ke mukule te ke ripon la tin tama kan lat ken no kor cha de bete don wore kor baoter bor kapanal ke baoter bo kawara so de ala tiga lat korodien unless you take another option ka kirm yadit mi benung ko teram long mal no gajene dial baramadan logo bi mal ben e kirm yadit chalim chabek no kir place accept peace chikir cheno Africa Union la be ka jen mutual ka me igat la we gare we ki juba but in the end bala zero tele mo gwam le rode alo ku kana le la mo ke hope michi ga George no weekend when mo buga na mo ke hope then after that tele mo rode lat so na me ami jek chimgwa so na me da la jen report am de cornerling ano chikir me yadit ya go to mal medeben but kuumɛ SPLIO they are ready ka we can mal can maintain ray which ka junub so na me da la je report da an tuɔɔk ko tuɔɔk on tema dor ko kien bana ka lingo yo gwada da an shaga non ba report da an ta right now right corner amma da an shalat ka ku Africa Union no Africa Union shika ben ki cigara yalaka obugo ray ki juba ka ku situation ka mubuko rani kan kir me hadit ke bukan kir bukan pressure be da kuma char be jelun kwa ku korun changa de ka pai kerun kin dagro jendangro de bala changa dana ba first by president by nan gwalo kaje so ku kon di at kamandana buto so jo me da la jen jo dan de nyoa yekel please make sure she channel ye support to subscribe to notification bell to jetwan ko mite bre gwas me be chamal shi bugije a chaja pro jeno bi yene kon bin ka che gon ken di ala kon tikitin no ko ntama korja tana la tok ci kor bokang kir che de nga ci gar yaleka ci SPLIO ba ci kan de kan gar yaleka so whatever me betu ko gwasan be quick con outcome de no victory dunga SPLIO ci ma ngai kona all the time ano me kan SPLIO me kan kon catch then la le ci de yal ci ka tok ban mi SPLIO che nguk amna le rode no cha tarkaya ke monka ena mo ena ngaje no chimwana chi nyoko mo gwa ke nyok kane de kontila de ni ke mi yadi so right now right corner ganga tete de gang na ga rodien ke jene woni na cha bok ena cha lele ne tam right now chinori can accept nore kan ne boka so korbo woni am but kor cha je bele nyoko mitar ke jente mare gan wore ki mun wore ba jo terol jane kan goda kokene konande kadeten so na me mele rode Eastern Equatoria, Western Equatoria right now to within tation go boneka kuumɛ SPLIO alo to kori na tigatin ba ano she jongle ka roade ka panal ba jatin bo ready unity state bonono any report mi chebre bi ajilin gwas me ka pet ka gwada dana pay bin keje ko ontam right now to kon ka ron kin dangro jandangro bakel bor jeno widan be de chunga katin diala kona tuɔɔk ko chago jeno Nuer tele mu lonkana tele mu let kene la ko na kay yow bu ko nyin karodien the worst part jene kene de nyin kono kɛntämɛ to pai do mun lalo la de ni SSPDF rudi and dial kan Nuer you know mi jinu mi kuje mi chal kamo a unity state bani ne re kono nyin kono ka boni kan Nuer so bana je kulu lele de gor je no de ko dan la ler Nuer a koncho dan nak chana tere kore kela mo mu we ka kir mi yadi do kene la regime kir mi yadi ajen ndana bu kon focus tin so na me der we ka ya ani bana nyo je gale rodien biya te gamal bye bye